We're here at the Boo by the Woods Festival here in Avon Lake, Ohio. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, you may recognize these gigantic Halloween decorations made of foam from Perkins' house. He's graciously donated them to the library. I'm not sure if it's just for the season or permanently. Now, where do we go in? Well, maybe these two guys know. Excuse me. All right, we're entering the basement of terror here in Avon Lake, Ohio. Don't scare me. Oh, creepy dolls. Terrifying spider. Don't scare me. Don't scare me. Strobe light warning. No, stay away. No. Sorry, don't scare me. Ah! Oh my God! I was not ready for that. No. No. All right, I'm leaving, I'm sorry. No. All right, I'm going. Oh my God. That was terrifying. No. No. This incredible alien room. Oh my God, no! No! Ooh, I like that.
You're my house. Don't pick up the phone, Vinny.
Horrifying.
Hey kid, where the cars your parents told you about?
No. Oh my God. No! Oh my God! No! Oh my God! Right! No! Oh my God!